I'm Harsh Kumar Khatri, and in this video I'll be telling you how I edit my audios for my videos. You might be knowing that audio plays a very important role when a video is there. So let's see how I edit my audios. Firstly, I have opened a software named as Audacity. You can download it from the official website by simply searching Audacity on Google. Once the Audacity software is downloaded, you simply have to drag your file in the Audacity software. Your file can be of .mp3, .wav or .mp4 also. When you will be dragging a video file into Audacity, it will be directly converting into a mp3 file and will be showing you like a setup of the mp3 waves as shown on the screen. The thing which you have to do is, firstly, before speaking, you need to keep a gap of 2 to 3 seconds, which will be helpful in removing the background noises. As you can see here where my cursor is, there is a gap of 2 to 3 seconds. I will be simply selecting this. After selecting this, I will be going to effect, and from here I will be selecting noise reduction, and I will be clicking on get noise profile. Once get noise profile is done, I will be pressing Ctrl A, which will be selecting the whole audio file. After that, on the second option, you can see repeat noise reduction. I will be simply clicking on that. It will be taking around 2 to 3 seconds, and I will be repeating this in total 3 times. This is second time repeating this again, and after this the background noises will be removed up to a bit. You can hear, if you can you can see that the sound of this audio file is very low. We will be selecting the file again, and after noise reduction we will be going on filter curve. Once filter curve is selected, we will be going on manage and factory preset and select bass boost and click on OK. It will be taking 2 to 3 seconds. Again, effect, filter curve, manage, factory preset and treble boost and OK. Now again we will be going on effect, filter curve, manage, factory preset and bass boost. Once these things are done, you can listen to the audio.
Hi everyone, I'm Harsh Kumar Khatri.
You can see that the audio has raised a bit, and there is loud audio, like we can say that audio voice has increased. After this we have to make the audio clips. Now we'll be going into effect and selecting compressor from here and clicking on OK. Please note that you don't have to adjust any of the setting, you have to keep them default. And now you can see that the waves have increased on the screen. Once this is done, you can click on effect, normalize, which will make the waves which are going too much up on a normal level with other waves. Once this is done, we'll again click on effect and filter curve and then manage, and from factory preset we'll be clicking on bass boost. This will again take 2 to 3 seconds. Now you can see the waves are touching the top, so we need to normalize it again. Clicking on effects and normalize and clicking on OK. Again I am saying that don't change any of the default settings. It will be resulting in something else. Once the normalized thing is done, you can see that the waves are to big extent and the audio has increased. I'll play this for you.
Hi everyone, I'm Harsh Kumar Khatri and I'm from Bangalore, India.
You can see that the voice has become much more crisp, and also that the voice for the audio, which was very low, has also increased. So yeah, we can now select the file and click on file on the top left corner, and then we can export it in the mp3 format, wave format, OGG format, etc. So yeah, that is it for this video.